Hey, this is Brett Schiller, your Tampa Bay real estate professional. I am here in the Rivers Landing community showcasing this beautiful home behind me. This is the Saint Croix by Taylor Morrison, and I'm in the Wesley Chapel city. There's a lot happening up here and a lot of people that are coming to this area because there's so much new construction, so much commercial development. So hey, if this is your first time to my channel, my name's Brett Schiller. My goal is to be a resource for you in helping you find your dream home and dream real estate, or if you need to sell in the area. I have great relationships with these builders and can negotiate good prices for you. So hey, don't hesitate to reach out to me if you need me, if you're coming back to my channel. Thanks so much. Let's go take a look at this home.
All right, let's take a look at the Saint Croix here. This is a 4-bedroom, 4.5 bathroom home. It's all gonna be a single story. You do got the 3-car garage, and your square footage is about 2,900, just over 2,900. Time of this recording, October of 23. Starting price is just under $621. So there's a lot that you're gonna have options. This is a semi-custom builder. You do have the option to change a lot of that, change the rooms around so that it meets your needs. So take a look, see if this home is for you, and we will see you at the end.
Hey, there you go, the Saint Croix model in Wesley Chapel, once again in the Rivers Landing community. Now there's a lot of other models up here. This is just one of them, and really packed a punch. I really like the flow of the house. The master bathroom, the shower, the space in there was absolutely phenomenal. Really impressed with that room. Something that you got to put eyes on yourself to really appreciate it. Hey, if you want to see this home in person, contact me, Brett Schiller, to schedule a private showing. And thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button so you can follow along the journey of more homes and more communities just like this one, finding you the best places to live all around Tampa Bay. If I could be part of your real estate journey, that's what I'm here for. We'll see you on the next video.